Hey, what's up guys? Imran here, Monster Gadgets. I hope you're all having a wonderful day wherever you might be. Thank you so much for joining me. And in today's video, it is finally time to get my Uniden R7 Radar Detector hardwired in my 21 Tesla Model 3 Performance. So I am actually here at a shop called Sounds Plus that is here in Naperville, Illinois. And they're gonna be the ones who are gonna hardwire my radar detector today. So that way I don't have this nasty little cable hanging down from the top of my windshield into my cigarette lighter. So I'm gonna go ahead and go inside, tell the team that I'm here so they can go ahead and start working on it. It's supposed to take about 2 hours or so for them to get this wired. I'm gonna show you guys the end results as soon as it's done. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Alright guys, so here I am. I actually left the shop. I decided to come out and get a car wash first because my car was dirty. So Monster is nice and clean with this touchless car wash here. But let me go ahead and show you exactly what the technicians did. As I mentioned to you guys earlier, I had the original cable that came with it dangling down from here all the way down to my cigarette lighter. But now, as you guys can see here, the cable is actually running right up to behind the glass there, behind the mirror, up into that area there, and it actually goes down this way, down that way, all the way here, down here, and it goes into the panel over here. Now what I did was I gave them my own mirror tap power cord, which is actually this right here. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description so you guys can go check this out. But basically this is a hard tap power wire or power cord, which is a hardware kit with an inline fuse and ground. So this cable right here, it's like a cloth type of material. I don't know what they call it, but as you guys can see, it just goes right in and then gets down there and into the fuse box. And it is 8 feet long, so it is plenty of length to go around and have it hidden. And so now the radar detector is wired through that. So when I hit my brake right now, I don't have my key card on, but if I hit the brake, it'll go ahead and activate it, and of course when I leave, it'll go ahead and turn the radar detector off. So not only does it look nice on the inside because obviously there's no cable running, down into the thing, but also from the outside, I'll go ahead and give you guys a view. The cables, of course, is gone, but also it gives it more of a stealth type of look, so people really can't tell that you have a radar detector, especially with my glass being tinted. You can hardly see this from the outside because it feels like it's almost part of this unit. Again, you can see it somewhat, but it's just not as visible as it would be otherwise. So I'm gonna go ahead and step outside so I can show you what that looks like. And here is the view of it. So again, still somewhat visible, but not as much. If you look at it from the front, you can't see any cables at all. All you see is the suction compound. Here's the top view of it. But if you look at it from the front like this, you can't tell at all there's anything there. It's just certain angles with the windshield tinted that you're able to see what's over there. So I absolutely love this view. If you are not following me, or if you haven't seen my previous video, I mentioned I was going for the smoke look on my windshield, which again, it's enough to where you can't see it, see inside, but still tinted enough or light enough to have light come in. So that's what it looks like from the outside. Now again, no more cable hanging down here, which in my opinion looks really bad, but now I don't have that issue anymore. So nice, clean, minimalist look that every Tesla should have. And so that is the install of this. Now, as far as you being able to do yourself, I have looked for videos left and right online that I wanted to try and do it myself, but I just could not find a whole lot. There was one video that I did actually find that people explain how to do this. I just am not, I guess, equipped or knowledgeable enough as far as voltage and those type of things go, especially with a Tesla that is very, very picky in regards to which wire you're running into. So I just had it professionally installed. It did cost me, don't laugh about this and don't judge me, but it did cost me $300 to get this wired. Yes, $300. I did pay that amount to get this wired just so that I can have this clean look. It was done at a body shop, as I mentioned earlier, that does a lot of exotic cars, high performance, high-end cars. And so I wanted to make sure my car is taken care of and in good hands. I did shop around quite a bit, asked people, a lot of different shops, and a lot of them basically said no, they don't even work on Teslas, for the purpose of just not having experience, and again, it being a whole different type of car. So I ended up paying the extra to making sure that I went to an experienced shop that knows what they're doing, and they were able to do this without any issues whatsoever. So I absolutely love the install. They did a great job. There's no rips or issues or marks anywhere on the interior of the install. I can't even tell where they ran the cable, but again, that's where they ran it, to the side there. And so I am very much pleased. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this install, if you would pay that much money to get this installed, or if you would just run it as a normal cigarette lighter. I would love to kind of hear from you. And if you are running a radar detector, what are you currently running? Drop a comment below and let me know. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye. All right, you know what? For those of you that might comment below and tell me this is not actually working, it's not wired, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. I did put my key card there just because I have my Bluetooth turned off so I don't get notifications. But I'm gonna go ahead and hit my brake pedal here, and you guys will see this comes on and it is fully functional and it is good to go. I do have it on dark mode, which is just this dot that shows up. But if you don't have that mode on, then of course it'll show you it is whichever direction you're facing and things like that. So now you know it is working and it is powered, for those of you that might have questioned me otherwise. Bam, there's proof. All right, see you in the next one. Goodbye.